Hello students, can you tell when your friends fall while playing and get hurt, does anyone tell you don't go near them? You will also get hurt. Suppose your mother has a headache. Do you also get a headache? And if you go near to her? No, children. But when is it that you are told not to go near a sick person, not to use their utensils for eating or drinking, not to use their hankies, towels, or clothes? See, in your textbook, you will see there are three examples or three questions they have asked you on page number 121. If somebody falls and gets hurt, you will also get hurt? No. If your mother has a headache, will get headache? No. But if a person is sometimes sick, and when the doctor tells or your mother tells, no, don't go near to her, that person, don't share his or her food or tiffin with that person, or don't sit next to your friend or anybody. When children, when infectious disease are illness caused by germs, and when you have infectious disease, that time you are told not to go near to that person, right? Now in 2020, haven't you experienced the same thing? Arey, don't go near to that person, don't maintain social distancing, please. If you have cold, cough and fever, go to quarantine center or stay at your home. Okay, so what are these? We as a human are now dealing with a pandemic called coronavirus. So similarly, bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasites are infectious diseases, means which spreads from one person to another person. Infectious disease are diseases which spreads from one person to another person. Communicable diseases, okay? If you have cold or fever, then automatically your brother or sister will also get, because it's an infectious disease. It is, you're staying in the same house, okay? If you go to a dirty washroom where things are not clean, then also you get infectious disease. Cold, ringworm, चिकन पॉक्स आर ऑल इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. ओके, एक को चिकन पॉक्स होता है तो दूसरे को भी होता है. एंड द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज इज COVID-19. ओके, सिमिलरली COVID-19 is a pandemic. Okay, it is very harmful and it's spreading rapidly. But there are other diseases like flu, cold, ringworm, scabies, chickenpox. These all are also infectious diseases. They are caused by microorganisms. Every infectious disease is caused by specific microorganism or germ. When the germs of a particular disease enter the body and begin to grow, the person gets the diseases. That's why we are told, no, if you are not well, if you are unwell, stay at home, take rest, don't maintain social distancing, okay, wash your hands, maintain your hygiene, right? When a person has cold, the germs from his body spread in the air. When he coughs or sneezes, when these germs enter other person's body, they can also get the diseases. That is, the disease spreads. Typhoid spread when its germs are passed on by a person ill with typhoid to another person. Okay. Some of the diseases spread from air. Okay. When you cough or spit, so that's why you should stay away from your friends and family. If you have throat and chest, diseases of throat and chest spread through the air, for example, tuberculosis, swine flu, etc. That is why we are told to cover our nose and mouth whenever we cough or sneeze. Right, children? Page number 122. You can see it is our responsibility to prevent the pollution of public sources of water. Spread of diseases through water. What different activities are going on in the above picture? So, can anybody tell me what different activities are going on in the above picture? In the same water, the two ladies are washing clothes, then one man is taking water for farming, 2-3 boys are bathing in that same river, then there is some construction work going on, then one man is going few boys are bathing the animals. So in same water all the dirty work is going on. Now this water is taken by people for drinking and cooking also. So what happens? The germs of the diseases of the intestine like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea as also of jaundice are present in the faces of the affected person. If the faces gets mixed with water, the germ in it also enter the water. See, you can see this man who went in the jungle to pass his for his morning what you can say, for his morning duties. He went in villages, you don't have toilets, no, so people go to jungle and then he's going to take bath in the same river. So what will happen? The infection will, so that is known as faces. Okay, FACCES, faces get mixed into that water, and that with that dirty water you're washing your clothes, you're using that water for farming. Even see the cows, they know that while taking bath they can pass urine also, no, in that same lake. So what will happen? Lake or river, so all dirty things are getting mixed in the same water. So what will happen? Different types of diseases will spread. Now see, in the second picture you can see there are this is a shop where there are tea and nashta, all snacks and everything is kept, but they are not covered properly, right children? So what will happen? Flies and insect and all that things will sit on this food items. Okay, plus this place is not clean also. You can see there are so many rats. I can see 2-3 rats in the same picture. Kindly see properly in your EVS 1 textbook. So what will happen? The food is getting contaminated. What is the meaning of contaminated? Unhygienic, dirty, which is not you can't eat that food. In simple language, अगर वो गंदा खाना है आप वो खाना खा नहीं सकते हो, बिकॉज वो कंटामिनेटेड है. चूहा, मक्खी, मच्छर सब उसके खाने के वहाँ घूम रहे हैं, तो आप वो खाना खाओगे तो आप हेल्दी रहोगे? नो, इट्स अनहेल्दी फॉर यू बिकॉज it is contaminated food, and because of all these things you can face food poisoning. So it is very important to maintain hygiene. Now you can see there is some social gathering going on in a village. गांव में कुछ तो फंक्शन होने वाला है. अब सब खाना बना रहे, सब खाना खा रहे, कुत्ता बिल्ली everyone, and so much of it is, the food is served in such a unhygienic manner. See where they are sitting and how they are eating, and there are so many animals around them, goat, cow, dog. So what happens? The food is getting contaminated. That's why every time wash your hands clean, keep your food covered. Teacher always tells you, no, if you're bringing tiffin, wash your hands before eating your food tiffin, and then again you go and wash your hands, right children? Then you should cover your food. If you, whenever you're going to a shop to buy some sweets or samosas or vada pav, so you should always see whether that food is covered or not. If it is uncovered, then you should not buy food items from that shop. Okay, food is handled while preparing or serving. See, if the shop is neat and clean, then only you buy. Because if it is not, while making the food also, if it is not made in a hygienic manner, you can't eat that food. That food is not healthy for you. Okay, now the spread of diseases by insect. Which insect spread diseases? Come on, tell me. Everyone's favorite mosquito is famous for spreading malaria, dengue, right? So what you should do? You should maintain cleanliness around your house, and if you want to stop mosquitoes from breeding, what you should do? Now for example, for dengue, if dengue mosquito breeds in fresh water, okay, so you should not store water at one place for much time. Okay, even you should clean the plants. If there are plates below the pots, you should clean that water also. You should throw away that water every alternate days. Okay, so if small steps if we take, we can stop all these diseases. Okay, some diseases spread through the direct contact. Skin diseases usually spread due to direct contact. Okay, ringworm, scabies, you can see here. Ringworm, scabies, disease that affect the skin. Their germs are found on the skin. If someone else comes in contact with the skin of a person having the disease or wear his clothes, then the person can get that skin disease too. An epidemic of a disease. What is an epidemic of a disease? Now we are seeing pandemic. Epidemic is small for us. Epidemic only happens at one place. Pandemic is happening all over the world. Germs of disease like flu or conjunctivitis spread quickly through the air. So many people can get such disease all at one time. If the water of a common source is contaminated by germs of diseases like cholera, then there is danger of all those who drink that water getting the disease. If at some place mosquito breed in large number, then many people there can get malaria. See, if in that water malaria mosquito breeds, then what happens? People will get malaria, cholera. Basically anything which is contaminated. Contaminated means ganda, dirty. Okay, it's not appropriate for drinking. पीने जैसा पानी नहीं है वो पानी अगर आप पियोगे तो आपको सारी बीमारी होगी. When many people in one area get same infection, when many people in one area get same infection all that same time, we say that there is an epidemic of the disease. Okay, Air, water, food and insect are the medium through which diseases spread. Hence, if everyone takes care to ensure that the germs do not enter our food, water or air to prevent the breeding of insect that spreads disease, it is possible to prevent a disease from becoming an pandemic. For this, it is important for all of us to make a cleanliness a habit. I hope you all have understood this much. Basically, maintaining hygiene, not contaminating the drinking water or source of water, then only you can